Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really easy recipe for you for pumpkin bread. Now breads can often be a little complicated to make, but with this keto one it's really just a matter of mixing all the ingredients together and then you bake it and you end up with a beautiful pumpkin bread. And I'll write the full blog post, which I'll leave down below, so you can click the link and print, bookmark, save when you want to make this yum pumpkin bread. And make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and a comment too. Let me know what you thought of this recipe. So let's get on and we'll make our pumpkin bread. First, I'll just give you a brief run over of the ingredients we'll be using today. Starting with our coconut flour over here. That's the flour I'm going to use. If you have never worked with coconut flour before, it is very absorbent, so you might think that the half a cup that's being used in this recipe won't be enough, but I can assure you it will. It's so good. Now the other ingredients, we've got cinnamon, stevia, I've got this pumpkin pie filling. You can use pumpkin pie puree, really any that you like, and we've got eggs and butter, unsalted butter over there. So those are the ingredients. Let's get on and make it. And step number one is we're going to melt our butter. Okay, first step is melting the butter. I've got 50 grams of butter there that I'm going to slowly melt. And I've also got the oven on to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit. So we're going to heat that up. And I'm also going to get out a loaf tin and grease that too, so we're all ready to go when the batter is ready. So butter is slowly melting. Once it's melted, we'll move on to the next step. The butter is melted, so we're just going to pop it into a bowl over here, and then we'll add our other ingredients. Okay, and we're going to measure out our pumpkin now. I got these cups yesterday. I'm so excited to find them. I'm so excited to put them straight to use, the Joseph ones. And we need a half a cup, which I believe is this one just over here. So we're going to keep that one, pop the others to the side. And our pumpkin pie. Open up the tin and we'll measure out a half a cup. There we go, we've got our half a cup, and we'll just pop it in and we'll give that a whisk in. Great. Next we'll add in our eggs. We've got 4 eggs going in, and we'll just whisk that in until it's smooth. And next, pumpkin and cinnamon just go so well together, so add half to a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going for a full teaspoon because I just love my cinnamon. And whisk that through. Smells like pumpkin cinnamon. And for sweetness I'm using stevia, and I've got a quarter of a cup going in, and I'm just going to keep this quarter cup because I've got a half a cup of coconut flour and I'm going to use 2/4 since my half one is full of pumpkin puree. So let's mix in our stevia. And finally we're going to mix in our coconut flour, but we're going to use a spoon for that. That last little whisk together with this. And we'll get a spoon and our coconut flour. Okay, so I've got my spoon, and I'm actually going to add it a quarter of a cup at a time, mix it through, and then add the other quarter. So we've got our first quarter of a cup of coconut flour in, and we'll mix it in. Just kind of fold it through very gently. You could also add a little bit of baking powder if you want your pumpkin bread to rise a bit, because this will be a little bit flatter. And you can see it's already thickening up. The coconut flour is so absorbent. There you go, you can see it's beautiful bread batter consistency. Now we'll get out our loaf tin and pop it in. Okay, I've got a really well greased loaf tin over here. You could line it as well with baking paper if you want to be extra safe. And we're going to pop our batter in. Now, as I said, if you want you can add a little bit of baking powder in if you want it to rise a bit, because this is pretty much as high as our little pumpkin bread's going to go with low carb and keto kind of treats. You don't have the flour and all those leavening agents, so yeah, but it's going to be so yum. Okay, just flattening it so we've got a nice flat bread, and that's going to go into the oven for about 35-45 minutes. Just start watching it from about the half-hour mark. Your oven might be a little bit different to mine. So we're going to pop it in the oven and we'll show you how it looks when it's out. Pumpkin bread's out the oven. Doesn't it look beautiful? Real authentic pumpkin bread. So I'm going to let this cool for a little while and then I'll pop it out onto a plate. and I've moved it onto a plate. I've cut myself a slice and had a little cheeky piece as well, and it's so nice and rich with pumpkin and cinnamon, and I'm just going to have it with a little bit of whipped cream on the side because that's the perfect indulgent afternoon treat for me. So that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know what you thought of this video, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post where you'll be able to get the full step-by-step instructions for how to make this easy low-carb keto pumpkin bread. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.